Hi guys, it's Karen Purdy, and here is my July challenge video for the Gina B. Ahren's design team. And the prompt was pile or crowd or stack, and I kind of went with feathers as a theme. So you're going to see a pile of feathers, but you'll also notice that I flipped through and I chose a page right next to an earlier video, and I'll link that one below too. And this one is actually very similar. I liked the other page, but I wasn't too happy with the handwriting that I did using a paintbrush. So I wanted to kind of complement that page with this one. So it's kind of like an alternate page for the same sentiment or a similar sentiment. So what I did was I took a number of feather stencils, including my favorite from Gina B. Ahren's, and I will link that in the description below. And I really piled on a layer of feathers in different colors. So that's really what the background is all about, is just layering on feathers. Mostly a few different shades of purple, some blue, and some pink. And so that's what I'm doing here. And I will play some music until I get to another part where I need to narrate. So at this point, this is where I decide to start adding stickers to build up more of the pile of feathers on the background. And I do have a few different sets in my stash. Obviously, there's my favorite set from Gina B. Ahren's. I love the colors of these feather stickers. And it really goes with, I use the same sticker set on the other page, so it kind of brings the two together. But I also added some stickers from Dollar Tree. One is a set of wall stickers, and the other is just the kind of like lacy feathers. So, I add a few of these, of each, onto that page, and then I'll go over onto the other page and add some stickers that just to bring it over together more. And after I've done that, that's when I go through and I start adding some brick wall texture with some gray paint. So, the sentiment is soft as a feather and hard as a brick wall. And I do change it on this page so it says hard as a brick wall and soft as a feather, just so it's not entirely identical to the other page. But I wanted to have both the feather and the brick walls in the background on that page, so it goes together and it complements the sentiment. So then, instead of writing out the sentiment by hand like I did on the other page, I decided to use some of my alphabet stamps, and I am using 3 or 4 different sets of alphabet stamps. This is one of my favorite ways to add sentiments when I don't want to use my handwriting. And so I use one stamp set for the smaller words, and then for soft and hard, I use the same set. And then feather and brick wall, I use 2 different sets. So I'm just stamping it all onto a piece of purple paper, except the brick wall wouldn't all fit. So you'll see I pull out another piece of scrap paper for just that word. So that's what I'm doing here, and I will put the music back on. And of course, this page would not be complete without the face. And I'm using the stencil from Gina B. Ahren's. Now, you may recognize it. On the page next to it, I actually use the mask. And when you order this, you get both the stencil and the mask. And I thought that since I use the mask on one side, I'd use the stencil on this side. And so now they kind of complement each other a little bit better, and they're almost like a reverse of each other. So that's what I like about that, and I want to thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please definitely hit the subscribe button. And again, thanks for watching.